Hey guys, Blood Groove here. What is it? This is a re-unboxing of a knife I recently ordered about a month and a half ago or so, and it's just been kind of sitting there, so I wanted to pull it out and show it off a little and just kind of share with y'all. Some of you may recognize this box already. Let's see if this gives you more of a hint. Well, look at that. It's a Medford. But what type of Medford is it? Let's find out. I saw this on the website and it was, it's kind of hard to say this because it is a Medford and they're pretty expensive, but it was a bit of an impulse purchase just because I thought it was really pretty. And so I jumped at it before anybody else could. It's got a really nice case. Like I said, this is just a re-unboxing. I have seen it before, opened it up and put my hands on it, but then just kind of put it back into its box for later. It's on this dog tag. Warranted forever in new or used original condition. I suppose original condition means not modified, like you've heard about. That they don't warranty modified knives. So really nothing you haven't seen before. Tiny Medford sticker, anvil sticker. What's that? Oh, that's one of those clear stickers with Medford in white. And you've got the Medford patch. That's nice. Certificate of creation and authenticity. So, made on September 9th. I think I got it probably about October 15th or so. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a little earlier. Probably right at October 1st. Look at that, guys. Wow. Still takes my breath away. That is an acid wash. And just look at that color. And now you can see why I impulsively purchased it. It's got the flamed pocket clip. Titanium flamed pocket clip. It's got a really stiff opening right there. We've got the flamed, excuse me, not flamed, it's vulcanized blade, Tonto blade. This is the Praetorian Genesis Ti, T-I, the middle one, that one, real thick one. That they, I have no idea what that model number is for. This is really beautiful. I thought about returning it when I first got it because it seemed really small, smaller than I expected. I really wasn't too familiar with Medford. I had seen the Praetorian online. I didn't realize that there were different size Praetorians, the Genesis and the Praetorian Micro, I believe it's called. But after revisiting it, it fits fine. It feels well enough. Fits my 4.5-inch palm fine. There's no issues there. It's really the heaviest knife I've ever had, though. Thickest knife. But you cannot argue with how beautiful that is. And the 3, I suppose, is for the 3V finish. Just hear that. Let's see if I can open it. I'm new to knife collecting, so That's not going to happen. That's not going to happen. I really don't have the skill to open this. Let's see. I pushed a little on the back there. Try to roll it up. There we go. Go ahead, laugh, guys. That's okay. Anyway, this thing is beautiful, and you can see why I want to return that. Looking online, I have not seen anything like it at all out of Medford anywhere. So apparently this was a custom order. I got it from DLT Trading, and I believe they do custom orders occasionally. And like I said, just one day I was looking at their website, this popped up, and I just went ahead and said, let's get it. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed seeing this Medford Praetorian Genesis tie. And some time later on, maybe I'll do an actual review of it, although I know you've seen other ones, but, you know, certainly won't hurt to see one another. Have a good night. Thanks. Bye.